Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to sign in to your eBay account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your eBay app. Then over here you can see the option of My eBay. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of Sign In. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of Continue with Sign in with Google, create an account, sign in with Facebook. If you don't have an account, then make sure you go and watch our previous video of how to log into your eBay account. I'll sign in with Google. You can choose any account. You have to choose. There you go. You have been logged in to your eBay account. Now you can shop again. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.